Hello guys, for today's video is going to be an unboxing for my June BoxyCharms. Alright, so for last month's BoxyCharms, I'm gonna like link it down here somewhere below. I was really busy that I didn't get to film that one, but anyways, so this is my June box going to be. Yeah, so I'm really happy, and there's a lot of goodies in there. So well, obviously we get the card, and we'll open the card, and it says Caribbean Queen, and there's Kathleen Lights in there. I love her. She's my favorite, one of my favorite YouTubers, and other girls in there, and they're so pretty, and everything has all the information of everything that I got in here. Okay, so first I'm gonna do a try on while going through what I got, but first thing is I have the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and I think I have like it is a Bum Bum Cream, and it's retails for $10. I think this is like the deluxe sample. Let's see, and you open it, and it's sealed, and that's the product inside. It smells really good. Yeah. Everybody's raving about it, like all the YouTubers, the beauty gurus that I've been watching, they rave about this cream. Yeah, and it smells so good. I can't wait to use that one. Okay, and so next is this palette, and this palette is retails for $28, and look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. They are so pretty. I can't wait to use them. Let me swatch like a little bit of, like maybe this three. Looks pigmented. Wow. I can't wait that it matches my shirt. So I can't wait for this palette. Usually I would use a Fix Plus to intensify the color, like especially the shimmer color, but for this eyeshadow I didn't need to, and look how pigmented that is. like the middle part, I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use my finger. This one for the inner corner. So for our next product will be this what's this jaunty blue eyeliner pencil. So I'm gonna try to use this eyeliner pencil for my my waterline. It's too dry, guys. I don't know if I would like. For the next product is going to be the Baddington. I think this is an eyelashes, Baddington lashes. Look at that packaging, so pretty. Look at that. So that's the lashes. So I'm gonna put that in my eyelids. But before that, let me put on like my mascara and my like liquid eyeliner. So guys, I already put on my my mascara and my eyeliner. So I'm gonna put in that lashes. On, guys, look at that. Oh, I really like it. So okay, for our next product is going to be brushes, and these are face brushes. So I got 3 and 2, 3 brushes. So for the first one is going to be tapered highlighter brush, and then the other one is a precision foundation brush. I don't really use this kind of brush for foundation. And then this is a dual fiber blush. So maybe it's like good to like swipe off like the powder underneath. Okay, but I think, you know what, I might just gonna use this foundation brush to contour and highlighter. So let me do that. So for my I'm gonna use my Tarte's Pro Glow for contour and highlight. blush, so I think I'm gonna use just this dual fiber powder para sa ating blush. I'm using a Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. So for our next, to finish up the whole look, my next product that I got from the BoxyCharm box is the Ofra liquid lipstick. I really love this long-lasting liquid lipstick, Ofra in Verona. It's so nice. I think I've already received like 3 Ofra liquid lipsticks from Ofra. By the way, guys, I've already been I've subscribed to BoxyCharm for about 3 years now. Recap now, guys, for our recap. So all of these, I think of all of the five products that I don't really like or I'm not really so fan about is where was that? The eyeliner. Where's the eyeliner? Yeah, this one, I don't think I like this one because it's so dry. Usually for the eyeliner pencils, I like it more like a little bit on the creamy side, not the dry one, because I don't know, I don't think this one would last longer. And so and then I can't wait to use this one, the Buckham Cream. This is also good if you go like to travel. It's a pretty decent size to travel with. It's kind of like you can use it as like a body butter or like all over your hands to moisturize. It's very moisturizing and it's very it's a good product and it smells so good. Okay, and then alright, so that's it, guys. I hope you like my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye.